हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू ऑल। आई होप कि आप सभी बहुत अच्छे होंगे और आप सभी ने जो पिछला चैप्टर वो अच्छे से कंप्लीट कर लिया होगा। सो नाउ लेट्स मूव इनटू द चैप्टर नंबर 11 एंड द चैप्टर नेम इज एडवर्ब्स. So let's know about adverb. And adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Adverb वो word है जो meaning add करता है verb में, adjective में या दूसरे adverb में. Okay, जैसे कि आपको एग्जाम्पल दिया है walk briskly. सो यहाँ पर जो वर्ब है वॉक्ड, ठीक है, उसके साथ मीनिंग क्या एड ऑन हो रहा है, ब्रिस्कली एड ऑन हो रहा है, तो ब्रिस्कली आपका क्या हो गया, एडवर्ब. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन. ओके, एड्स टू द मीनिंग ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव. यानी कि एडजेक्टिव आपका यहाँ पर डिफिकल्ट है और डिफिकल्ट से पहले आपका कौन सा एडवर्ब है, दैट इज वेरी. नेक्स्ट वन, इंटरव्यू क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंटली. ओके, एड्स टू द मीनिंग ऑफ अनदर एडवर्ब. यहाँ पर आपको दूसरा एडवर्ब दे रखा है कॉन्फिडेंटली, उसके आगे आपको कौन सा एडवर्ब है, वो है क्वाइट. ओके, now the next topic is formation of adverbs. Adverbs are normally formed by adding ly to adjectives. Adverbs हम form करते हैं जब उसमें हम ly add on कर देते हैं adjectives में. Okay, जैसे आपको adjective दे रखा है sharp, तो इसका adverb क्या बन जाएगा, sharply. Okay, nice, nicely, warm, warmly, mild, mildly, wise, wisely, happy, happily. However, some words have the same form both as an adjective एंड एज एन एडवर्ब. मतलब कुछ ऐसे वर्ड्स होते हैं जिसका सेम फॉर्म होता है एडजेक्टिव के फॉर्म में भी और एडवर्ब के फॉर्म में भी. सम ऑफ दीज वर्ड्स आर गिवन बिलो, जैसे कि हार्ड, लॉन्ग, अर्ली, लेट, डेली, स्ट्रेट, शॉर्ट, फास्ट. इसमें आपको इसका यूज भी दे रखा है सेंटेंस में, ड्रॉ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. तो यहाँ पर ये जो लाइन है वो कैसी है, स्ट्रेट है, तो ये आपका क्या हो गया, एडजेक्टिव हो गया. नेक्स्ट वन, गो स्ट्रेट, ये आपका क्या हो गया, एडवर्ब हो गया. नेक्स्ट वन, माय मदर इज एन अर्ली राइजर, ये आपका क्या हो गया, एडजेक्टिव हो गया. नेक्स्ट, वी रोज अर्ली, ये आपका क्या हो गया, एडवर्ब. ओके, नाउ बिफोर गोइंग फर्दर देयर इज अ नोट. ऑल वर्ड्स एंडिंग इन वाई और एल वाई आर नॉट एडवर्ब्स. मतलब जो सभी वर्ड्स होते हैं जो एंड होते हैं एल वाई में, वो सभी एडवर्ब्स नहीं है. सम ऑफ देम आर एडजेक्टिव टू, कुछ एडजेक्टिव्स भी होते हैं, जैसे कि फ्रेंडली, एल्डरली, लवली, कावर्डली, लाइवली, सिली, लोनली. ओके, elderly people should be properly looked after. Okay, last evening we played a friendly football match. तो यहाँ पर देख सकते हो ये जो वर्ड्स है ये आपके क्या है, एडजेक्टिव्स है, एडवर्ब नहीं है. Sometimes we have two similar looking adverbs with very different meaning. कभी कभी दो similar looking adverbs भी होते हैं, उनका meaning पर different होता है. जैसे कि she went direct to her mother and apologized. तो direct यहाँ पर straight हो गया. I will meet you directly, directly मतलब हो गया soon. Okay, I got late because of a traffic jam. Okay, lately he has written some interesting poems. तो ये आपका हो गया recently मतलब. Okay, now the next thing is hard, hardly. In this, the point number one is hardly, very little, almost not. Hardly मतलब बहुत ही कम, almost not. Okay. जैसे कि शेखर must be unwell. He hardly ate anything. Okay, he ate very little. Could you speak a bit louder? I can hardly hear you. I can hear you very little. Okay. Now the next one, hard and hardly are completely different. कंपेयर मतलब हार्ड एंड हार्डली जो है वे दोनों completely different है. जैसे कि the professor asked her to work hard but she hardly did anything. Okay. Now the next thing, we often use hardly plus any, anybody, anything, anywhere. All these are business magazines. There is hardly anything for me to read. The shopkeeper had declared 40% discount, but there were hardly any buyers. Okay. Now the next one, hardly ever, almost never. Okay, I'm not interested in movies. I hardly ever go to the complex. Okay, so आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो कि I'm not interested in movies. I hardly ever go to the complex. ठीक है, तो hardly ever यानी कि almost never. Okay. Now the next is so, such. Study the following sentences carefully. The film was so interesting. His clothes were so nice. It was such an interesting film. He wore such a nice cloth. We use so plus adjective और adverb. हम so के साथ या तो adjective यूज करते हैं या फिर adverb यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि so loud हो गया, so quietly, so gladly and so dull. Okay, we use such plus noun. such के साथ हम noun का यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि such stupid people, such a talented person. Okay, now the second point is So and such make the meaning of an adjective or adverb stronger. So और such जो है वो meaning जो है adjective का adverb का और भी ज्यादा stronger बना देता है. जैसे कि Rahul and Garima are such nice people, okay, and not so nice people. Okay, we were having such good time, we didn't feel like coming back. Okay, she spoke so fast I could hardly make out anything. Okay, after rain it has become so pleasant. Now the next point, we can use so that, such that. हम so that और such that का भी use करते हैं. जैसे कि it was such a beautiful scenery that I decided to buy it immediately. Okay, I was so tired that I could hardly keep my eyes open. Okay, so आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो such that and so that का use. Now the next one is enough to. First one, enough. Enough means sufficient. It is always used in the positive sense. Enough का use हम positive sense में करते हैं. It is placed after the adjective के बाद लगता है. ये adverb after the adjective and adverb but before noun. मतलब adjective और adverb के बाद लगता है पर before noun. Noun से पहले लगता है. जैसे कि he is old enough to go to the market. She ran fast enough to reach the station in time. There is enough food for both of us. Enough can sometimes be used alone also. Okay, वो एक मतलब sentence में अकेले भी use हो सकता है. जैसे कि you can take some money from me, of you haven't got enough. Okay. Now the next point, the word to suggests excess of some kind more than what is desirable, natural or proper. जैसे कि don't take things too seriously, he works too hard, it isn't good for him. Okay, now the next point, we normally say enough to for somebody something. This dress is too tight for me, I need a bigger size. Okay, we didn't have enough money for that beautiful painting. Now the next one, we normally say enough to do something. कोई चीज करने के लिए, not for doing something. Okay, I had enough time to answer all the questions. I had too little time to answer all the question. Now the next word is quite. First one, quite, less than very but more than a little. मतलब very से थोड़ा कम होता है पर more होता है किससे, a little से. Okay, it's quite cold right now, we will go out a little later. क्वाइट इज प्लेस्ड बिफोर अ और एन, और एन से पहले हम क्वाइट का यूज करते हैं. जैसे कि क्वाइट अ डिफरेंट पेपर, क्वाइट एन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, क्वाइट ऑल्सो मीन्स कंप्लीटली. क्वाइट का मतलब क्या होता है, कंप्लीटली भी होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इज ही राइट, यस ही इज क्वाइट राइट. ओके, यानी कि कंप्लीटली राइट. When used with the following words, quite means completely. जब हम इन following words के साथ use करते हैं quite का, तो quite का मतलब होता है completely. जैसे कि wrong, obvious, safe, right, necessary, clear, impossible, sure, true, certain. Okay. Now the next word is fairly, rather. First point, both fairly and rather means moderately. Fairly is used with favorable adjective and adverb. Fairly को हम favorable adjective and adverb के साथ use करते हैं. जैसे कि clever, wise, intelligent हो गया. जैसे for example, he sang fairly well. This child is fairly clever for his age. The teacher was rather annoyed at her stupid answer. Okay, this trouser is rather expensive. The bedrooms are fairly spacious, but the kitchen is rather small. Okay. She is fairly rich, but her uncle is rather poor. Okay, now point number 2. Several words like hot, cold, fast, slow, high, low in themselves are neutral. ये अपने आप में ही neutral है. In such cases हम fairly suggest करते हैं. Fairly suggest the idea of approval. यहाँ पर fairly जो है वो suggest कर रहा है idea of approval को, and rather suggest the idea of disapproval. Rather disapproval को. Okay, for example, the rent of this house is rather high for me. यानी कि the speaker does not like the high rent of the house. Next one, this house can fetch a fairly high rent. That means the speaker likes the high rent of the house. Okay. Now let's talk about position of adverb. First point, adverb of place and time. Usually the verb and the place where go together. Okay, यानी कि verb और place जो है वो एक साथ चल सकते हैं, एक sentence में use कर सकते हैं. जैसे कि walk to the market, go home, live in a town. If the verb has an object, अगर verb में object भी होगा, the place comes after the object, तो उसका place जो है वो after the object आएगा. Meet someone on the road, take somebody home. Okay, time, where, how often, how long normally goes after place. ये place के बाद होता है. जैसे कि आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, यशिका goes to tuition, ये आपका place हो गया. Every evening, ये आपका time हो गया. She has been in India since 10 years. We arrived at Mumbai at midnight. Okay. It is often possible to put time at the beginning of the sentence, every early morning the old woman goes to the temple to pray. ठीक है, तो हम कभी कभी टाइम को जो है सेंटेंस की शुरुआत में लगा सकते हैं, जैसे कि नेक्स्ट संडे वी आर लीविंग टू दिल्ली. ओके, इफ देयर इज एन एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर ऑल्सो द ऑर्डर इज, तो मैनर अगर एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर होगा तो उसका ऑर्डर कैसे होगा, पहले एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर होगा, फिर एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस होगा, फिर एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम होगा. जैसे कि शी स्पोक वेल एट द मीटिंग टुडे, they worked hard in the fields the whole day. Okay, now point number 2, adverbs are placed after is, are, am, was, were. Traffic, just for example, traffic is usually heavy at the evening hours. Okay, you're always late. Okay, now the next point, they are placed before the verb. ये verb से पहले place होते हैं if the verb consists of only one word. अगर verb सिर्फ एक ही word का हो, जैसे कि the thief almost surrendered, he nearly lost all his belongings. Okay, now the next point, they are placed after the first word. ये first word के बाद place होते हैं if the verb consists of more than one word. अगर verb जो है वो एक से ज्यादा word का हो, जैसे कि I have always supported you, the director was usually satisfied with my work. Okay, now the next point, they are placed before the verb have to and used to. ये before the verb place होते हैं, जैसे कि have to या used to हो गया. जैसे कि for example, he always used to get us late on Sunday morning. I often had to go without means. Okay, so ये तो थे आपके adverbs. I hope student that you understood this chapter. और आपका homework है कि आपको इसकी following exercise को complete करना है. Now I'm going to meet you in another class. Till then students, bye bye.